Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locating the short you want to remix. This is crucial because not all shorts allow remixes. Once found, tap Share and choose Create Remix so you can record alongside the original. Make sure camera and microphone permissions are granted, otherwise recording won't work. Frame your shot in Portrait 9:16 and decide whether you'll use split screen, picture-in-picture, or reaction layout. This first step gets you into the editor, so you can align timing and tone with the original clip. Now focus on syncing. Trim both the original and your recording to land on key beats or lines. Use speed adjustments to match tempo and the sound mixing slider to balance voices so neither overpowers the other. Add captions for clarity and use text overlays to highlight punchlines or instructions. Once done, choose the exact audio segment. You can crop the original audio or layer a new track. These edits make the remix feel intentional and keep viewers engaged through tighter pacing. Finish by writing a clear caption, add tags, and ensure the original creator is credited if YouTube prompts it. This improves discoverability. Preview the remix twice and check audio levels, then export in HD and choose a thumbnail frame that stands out. Tap Publish and monitor early performance to adjust future timing. If publishing fails, make sure app permissions and network are active. Update the YouTube app or clear cache and retry. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves most upload or remix issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.